Alright guys, so welcome to today's YouTube video. My name is John Anavilore. So if you are new to my channel, uh, I want to welcome you and thank you for joining and checking out this video. So today I want to make a tutorial, a review about a new software, a new app that just launched right now, and it's a lot of people actually rushing to grab this software. Yes, a lot of people are rushing to grab this software right away, and you too can also pick up this amazing software that will help you to create platforms like Udemy, yes, like Udemy, so you can also go ahead and start selling your own courses. In fact, even if you don't have a course to sell, you can just pick up this, this software for a very small price, one-time price, and then you can start selling courses. In fact, there are about over 25 courses that even comes along with this software. So once you grab the software, you can as well, just start, sending traffic to this your own platform right now, and then you can start, making profits with this one-click software. So this software is actually a one-click software that instantly creates your own Udemy-like e-learning sites with 50 done for you courses across 25 pages, and they are ready to go. In fact, you see, you're going to get traffic, and it's going to start getting traffic and sales. Well, you say in 60 seconds, I can't guarantee 60 seconds. Let's say at least over time, you begin to make money with it if you, send traffic personally to your own Udemy like site. So you don't need any text queues to start using this software. So there's a link under this video that says pick up CourseCube or download CourseCube or get CourseCube. So that's the name of the this gaming like software. It's just one click. You're going to install this CourseCube, and then you have your e-learning sites like Udemy, and you can sell your own courses or even help people to sell their own courses on your own platform, or you can even get started with 50 courses that they're giving to you, and then you start selling those courses right from your own Udemy platform. So there's a price, a huge discount on this product right now, and it's going to turn to a monthly fee. But for now, you can get this software for just a one-time payment of $15. So with this software, you can start selling and making money in just three simple steps. So one is you have to create your own account. Once you get this software, this one-click software, you make your accounts, and then once you hit that, once you pick up the software, you click on the Get Instant Access right now, and then you'll be able to create your accounts. Once you create your account, just select your niche. If you want to go into blogging or product creation or affiliate marketing or health or relationship, whatever niche, just select your niche, and then you will have all selling, so you also have 25 niche options to choose from. Then the next thing, once you have your niche and then the products are live, then you can start piling up, commissions, earnings from your own e-learning platform. Some people are actually using this platform already. You can see this is Sam Ade, a professional videographer, has made over $8,000 in less than 30 days. In 30 days, sorry. And then you can see Karas is also a digital marketer. He has made over $1,000 in 16 days. So let's see more of them. So you can see there's a lot of values you're going to get. You're going to get 50 ready to profit courses modules from 25 odd niches. So you can use it for university programs, for your yoga service, and then for your do it yourself makeup tips and tricks, marketing, dance, whatever niche you want to go into, you can use CourseCube to get started. So go ahead, click on the link under this video to grab CourseCube, and you're also going to get a lot of bonuses. You're going to get a lot of bonuses. Let me show you the bonus you're going to get once you pick up CourseCube for a one-time payment of just $15. You're going to get access to some amazing bonuses, which I found very, 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 very important. So let me check out the bonuses for you so you can see. Number one, you're going to get what is it? Okay, let me think I'm almost there. Okay, yeah. So you're going to get Orange Builder, a drag and drop page builder that builds website for you, sales pages, funnels, landing pages in minutes. And then you also get commercial license rights to VidCraft. It's a bundle of animated video templates, intros, outros, and a whole lot of them. And then you get big extractors, you get traffic mate cloud app, you get a lot of bonuses. Just go ahead, click on the link under this video to grab this software, and it comes with 60 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like the software, you don't like it, it's not okay for you, you can actually get your money back. So you can see just less than $16. So click on the link under this video and pick up the software and the exclusive bonuses to start your own e-learning website. Thank you and bye-bye.